Question 7. Question 7 says approximate 8.5326 to the nearest hundred. Now we have 8.5326 to the nearest hundred. Now here, place value of decimal number. Here is tenths and here is the hundredth. Now the question asks us to the nearest hundred. That means we are going to stop here. But before we stop here and get our final answer, we have 8.53. Then we now need to check what is the next number after 3, the immediate number after 3, that is 2. 2 is a number we round down, so it becomes 0. So by the time you say 3 plus 0, 3, that means to the nearest hundred is 8.53. And the correct option here is option B. Chole, Kole,